Alright folks, what we have here is a Kia Forte. This is a 2018 model. Okay, what we're going to do here is the high beam. The high beam bulb, which is the inside bulb over here. Right? I'm going to show it to you on the driver's side. Okay, just going to show you how to do it. There's nothing wrong with this high beam bulb, but it's right here in this little cover. See that? You're going to take this little cover, you're going to spin it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, remember. So, spin it to the left. Mamma mia. There you go. That comes out. The bulb in there. I'll show it to you. Alright, so it's right there, the one that's marked Sylvania. See it? And there's the plug right there that you peel back and it'll pull down. Right, so that's the bulb right there. Lefty loosey. Let's do it. Set you up on my camera here. Alrighty. There you are. Okay, now let's do it. Lefty loosey, okay? So we're going to turn it to the left. Just grab it, whichever way you can. It should come right out. There you go. Try to remember the angle that it's coming out. Okay, so this is like, I don't know, I guess 2 o'clock for me. All right, so that's the way it's going to go back in. You pull it all the way out. I'm not going to touch this bulb because this is actually a good bulb. So to release the bulb from the connector, it's right here. It's a little tab here. See that little tab? That little tab, you just lift it up with your fingernail. Or some people use like a little screwdriver. Just peel it up from the lock tab, which is this, and it'll come right out. Okay? Get your new bulb. Okay, that's what it looks like. Get your new bulb from the package. Put it right back in there. Slap it together. You should hear it snap. Okay? And you know you're in really, really good. Now to find the hole to put it back in, just poke it in nice and easy. Remember, don't touch the glass because they tell you that, you know, you put oil on it or something like that, it'll burn it out fast. So put it back. You line up that little tab the way that you remember it as, which is like the 2 o'clock position. Okay, and we're gonna stick it in there. I gotta look over here with my head so I can see what. Okay. It's kind of hot in there because you got the fuse box over here and everything. So once it's lined up, turn it to the right and it's locked. Okay. And put the little cover back on, or you can check to see if it's working before you put the cover back on. But I'm confident. I'm okay. Righty tighty. Okay? So now, let's go start the little bugger up. And we'll start it. And we'll check it. See what we got here. Okay. Let's point you up. That way you can see it better. How's that, huh? Alright, let's go with the low beam first. I'm gonna start it up. There's your low beam. Let's put on the high beam. Boom! There you go. Alright. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Good to go. Alright. That's where it is. Right there. Nice and easy. Okay? Thanks for watching.